Hey little friends, welcome to our video today, where we will learn to draw beautiful and amazing flying birds. First, let's start by drawing the basic shape of the bird. Draw a circle for the head and a curved line for the body. Now add details like the bird's eyes, beak, and tail. Don't forget to add your own creative touch. Okay, now let's start the coloring stage. First, take yellow paint and gently color the bird's wings. The yellow color will give a bright and pleasant impression to our flying birds. Next, take the orange color and use it to color the bird. Orange will give a warm touch and liven up our flying bird image. After that, take the blue color and use it to color the head and chest of the bird. The blue color will give a cool impression and add contrast to our flying bird image. Finally, take the green color and use it to color the bird's back wings. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. See you in the next drawing video.